everyone. This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm just coming to you with a quick mail call. Well, I say quick, I got quite a few models here. It's going to be a stash ad. I've been buying up a few models here. I haven't done one in a while, and I haven't done a video in a little while, so I figured I'd get this going. And first of all, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers and new subscribers. And in the mail the other day, I got a Christmas card from old Tom, Rambler 69. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Tom and his wife. And then I got a Christmas card for Mr. BG and his wife. I appreciate the kind words. I appreciate the Christmas card. Alright, so that was my mail call. And let's get with it. I got a bunch of them. I'm probably going to break this up into two videos for stash ads, because I've been on a buying spree here lately. But I'll do probably do half of it, and then I'll do half another day. It won't be tomorrow though. It'll probably be, because I got stuff I got to do, but it'll be sometime maybe by this weekend or so. But I'm going to start off with let me see what I want to start off with. Alright, this is my first stash ad. It's the new Tamiya Lotus Super7, and I got 3 of these kits already, but the older version. But the only difference now is this version here has photo etch parts and comes with seat belts. So and I think maybe the decal sheet might be a little bit bigger. I'm really not for sure, but I seen Thomas had Building on a Budget, my buddy over in England, and he just got done building this, and y'all need to go over there and check his channel out. He did a heck of a job. He did it in British Racing green and yellow. He put a nice set of mini light wheels on it, and he did a heck of a job building this. And so go check out Thomas at Building on a Budget. But he inspired me to buy another one, because with the photo etch parts and all that, I love these little British cars, and I got so many different ways to make them. So I went ahead and bought me another one. And keeping with the Lotus theme, because I love Lotuses, I bought 2. And I got 2 of the Lotus Europas here. And the same thing with this new Lotus Europa kit. It's a reissue, but they kind of retooled it a little bit. For one thing, you know, you get photo etch parts, comes with seat belts, but they also put the mini light wheels in it and the spoiler. I don't know if you can see that or not. And the photo etch parts, because the original issue kit does not have those parts. It's just like this right here. It's the only way you can build it, with those style wheels and stuff. So I had to get 2 of those, and I will do an unboxing on these. I won't do an unboxing on this one because Keith and Thomas both have already did the unboxing on it, and then Thomas built this one. So there's no sense me doing an unboxing on that, but I will do an unboxing on this one sometime in the future. Let's see. Alright guys, alright, and all you Ferrari guys, if you don't know, I just bought the AMT version of the Ferrari 250 GT short wheelbase. And if y'all older guys know, like me, it's actually an ESCI kit. And if you try to buy this kit under ESCI, you're going to pay an arm and a leg for it. But for some reason, people don't know or what, AMT got the mold, I guess, for it or whatever, you know, and stuff, and they reissued this kit here back in, this is probably from the 80s or whatever, but yeah, it's 89, that's the year I got married. But here it is, and that's the exact same kit as the ESCI kit, with a lot cheaper price. I think I only paid like 25 bucks for this, and it's the exact same kit. And I don't know if y'all have ever seen that or not. It's got engine detail, it's got everything, and I can do an unboxing on this later on too. And there it is. It's a heck of a good kit, and so That's one of them. And then the next one I got here, some of my guys like Keith and them, they'll really like this right here. It is the Mercedes, let's see, C-Class DTM car. And I was looking for one of these. They had the yellow version, they have a black version, they have this green version, they have a silver version. Well, I seen the green version, I had to have it because I love green. But this car has engine detail. You can see, which is right here. It's just a highly detailed car. Of course, you know, Tamai, you know, they make awesome kits. And there it is, molded in black. And I can do an unboxing on that sometime too, if anybody wants it to see it. Okay. Let's start with this one right here. Alright. If any of y'all know me, you know I love Formula 1, and then you also know I love the big scale kits. So I've been wanting one of these for a while, and I finally bought it. Now, I didn't buy the brand new reissue kit. They kind of collaborated with Ebro. I don't know what the deal was on that. It's still the same kit. The only difference is the new kit will have photo etch parts, and I think maybe the decal sheet might be just a hair bit different, but the kit's exactly the same. I went ahead and bought the original issue kit right here, and it's the Matra EMS 11 112 scale kit. And the new issue of this kit's like $200, over $200. I give $100 for that one. That's the difference is photo etch parts, which you can get cheaper than you can pay an extra $100 for. And you know, you can go on if you want the decals for the newer set of decals for this, all you gotta do is get on a IndyCal, $10, maybe $12 at the most for a set of 12 scale decals. So, but you know, I can do an unboxing on any of these anytime anybody wants. Leave comments. And then another big one. This was the Lotus 49B, another 12 scale. I love these kits. This was sealed when I got it. Now the other one was open. This one was sealed, and I broke the seal on it and everything. But yeah, that's another one. And if any of y'all's ever built the 12 scale Tamai kits, they're freaking nice. And then another car I got here. I thought about holding out and getting the Ming kit, and I've looked and looked and looked. I've looked at the test shots, I looked at the pictures, and it don't justify a $500 price tag when you can get the Trumpeter Kit right here. I paid $122 for this kit. And this kit right here is just as good, if not better, than the Ming kit. This kit actually has more photo etch parts than the Ming kit. I was looking at the parts. I can't tell that Ming kit's going to actually be better than this. Kind of look like it's out of proportion in some spots, but this kit's nice. And the thing about the Ming kit is going to have those decals in it. Well, this kit comes with these decals too, so you get 2 decal options in it. And this is the car that I'm going to build. So, but yeah, and I will definitely be doing an unboxing on this kit. GT40 right there, 24-hour Le Mans. That was the race winning car right there. Alright, and then I got 2 more big scale kits, and I'm going to save the rest of this stuff for another video because I got a bunch more coming in still too. But keeping with the 12 scale Tamiya theme, I went ahead and I bought this one right here. It is the 934 Valiant Porsche. I already have the Jägermeister one, the orange one, so this is the one I didn't have, and I just got this one in, and it's got photo etch parts. Of course, my Jägermeister has photo etch parts too, but you talk about a super high detailed kit. I probably won't do an unboxing on that because I have done on my channel. If you just go back, I've done the Jägermeister unboxing, and it's the exact same kit, same photo etch, same everything. It's just the decals are different, so I will not do a unboxing on that. But this one here I will, and I had to have this. This has photo etch parts. Alright, I got the Martini portion. This is the 935 to where the others were 934s. You see that right there, very, very highly detailed kit. And I've been wanting these for a while, and I finally just pulled the trigger on them and bought them. My wife thinks I'm crazy, but that's what I wanted, and I bought it. I'm getting up there in age now. If I want something, I'm going to buy it. I don't have kids at home no more and stuff like that, so if I want to splurge, I'm going to splurge. Alright guys, like I said, leave comments below on the ones you want me to unbox, and I will do an unboxing video on them. And this would be the unboxing part 1, I guess. I mean, not unboxing, but the stash ad part 1, because I will do the others maybe sometime this weekend, because I'm supposed to get more in the mail tomorrow, and probably by the end of the week I'll have more. And I'll do, and plus all the ones I still got over here that I didn't even show you, so I'll do that another day, because this video is getting long enough as it is. And I'm looking forward to the Christmas build for was it Trevor at Mooger's Models and BG Brian. I'm looking forward to that Clone a Toy build. So alright guys, if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.